Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send money from Paysafe to Revolut. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the steps, the first thing to do is to know that Paysafe card cannot send money directly to your Revolut, but you can use this Krill as a bridge to send money in between the two platforms. So to get started with that, you have to deposit into your Paysafe card. So to do this, create or log into your Skrill account, then tap on deposit, then choose Paysafe card and enter your Paysafe card pin and the amount, then confirm the deposit. Note that Paysafe card deposit into Skrill may have a small fee charge. Then after that, you have to withdraw from the Skrill to your account, which is a bank account. So to do this, in Skrill, go to withdraw, then choose the bank account, then enter the amount and details and must be matched with the Revolut or be linked tab. Then after that, to add money from your bank to your Revolut, open the Revolut app, then tap on add money, then choose bank account as the source, then enter the amount and confirm. And that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe to Revolut. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.